Thank you for being here. I'm very excited to be here with you tonight to discuss how we can build better customer relationships by leveraging conversational AI. But first, let's meet Anna. Anna graduated from college 4 years ago. As most Americans, she went to college to build a better future for herself. While she graduated and got a good job, her student loan debt was still too much for her to handle. Her loan payments every month, combined with her rent and living expenses, left very little room for Anna to save for the future or unexpected events. When her car needed new tires, Anna was forced to pay for the tires with a high-interest credit card. With her debt rising and savings declining, Anna became financially stressed. However, Anna is not alone. The majority of Americans are not financially healthy and are actually financially stressed. In fact, 73% of Americans are stressing more about their finances than anything else. But this is even worse for younger generations like Anna. Among millennials, 81% are more stressed out about their finances than anything else. You would think that there's a lot of financial tools out there, and there are. And they all promise to help people with their finances. And they do a good job at their specific job that they look out to do. But the problem is that in order to help people with their financial stress, you need to develop a personal relationship with them. And all these tools that you can see here, they're very transactional in nature. Stressed out Americans like Anna need a personal relationship to overcome their financial stress. One late night, Anna couldn't sleep because she was feeling very bad about her finances. Specifically, she wasn't feeling very good about her student loan debt and how it wasn't allowing her to save money for the future. Anna was also a bit depressed because of her recent extra expenses. Anna's experience begs the question, how would the ability to talk to someone at her bank help her? This is where exSEED comes in. On the screen is a real conversation between Anna and the exSEED assistant. You will notice that the assistant is able to have a natural conversation with Anna. By talking to Anna, the assistant is able to figure out that her high credit card balance is causing her to be financially stressed. What Anna doesn't know is that her bank can actually help her save a lot of money. Through this conversation, the assistant is able to develop a personal relationship with Anna. Anna is actually able to talk about what's stressing her out financially and be heard. In turn, the assistant is able to suggest something that can solve Anna's problems. The exSEED assistant is available in a white label platform. We have a simple pricing structure made up of a licensing fee. Our conversational AI platform allows financial institutions to develop better customer relationships by focusing on financial health. We can do this at scale by using AI. We are looking to offer our turnkey platform to community banks and credit unions. There are about 10,000 of these institutions in the US, and they serve over 100 million customers. Half of these institutions have at least $100 million in assets and can leverage technology to better serve those customers. Initially, we looked to focus on about 1,000 institutions that have between $1 to $10 billion in assets. My co-founder Seth and I have been longtime friends since college. We initially began working on startups when we were seniors in college. Before exSEED, Seth founded a startup that was focused on helping Americans with their student loans and overcome those student loans. Personally, I spent 5 years in San Francisco working on AI startups. Most notably, I helped create and patent a process for automatically generating ads by leveraging psychology and natural language processing. We have some key advisors behind us that have been helping us on this journey. These advisors come from established financial institutions like American Express and fintechs like Credit Karma and Movin. Currently, we are looking to work with financial institutions who are focused on the financial health of their customers. We have the ability to help them create better relationships with their customers by focusing on financial health. Most importantly, we have the ability to do this at scale by leveraging conversational AI. If you are interested in a demo, I'd be happy to show you our technology in action. Thank you very much, everyone.